Alright, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm just going to be kind of showing how I built my motocross track, and enjoy. So just to give you guys an idea of how this video is going to work is I'm going to have some voiceovers of what I'm doing right now, of just kind of talking about the video, while you're watching it, and I'll have some fast forward parts where you can see how I'm using the tractor and getting the dirt, dumping it, packing it down, all those good steps of building the track. Alright, so the way I angled the camera on this part of the video isn't that great, but I mean, you can still kind of see, what I'm doing. This is me just kind of getting dirt and dumping it, and just kind of getting it in the places that I want, so I can pack it down with a shovel. Alright, so this was after I dumped all the dirt on top of the original doubles, and it turned out really well because this was my first time doing this, and I had an idea of what I was doing, and it turned out perfect. I was able to pack it down the bucket really well and shape it to how I wanted it. Alright, so in these two shorter sped up videos, it just shows me using the flathead shovel and just kind of shaping it all out. I mean, this step, it's kind of necessary. It's really just kind of there to make it look pretty, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, it packs it down, but the tractor pretty much did all that. So in my opinion, it's not really a necessary step. Alright, so I moved on to the berm, and right now I'm just kind of scooping up dirt from this dirt pile, and I'm dumping it into the places where I want it, just kind of like a rough guess. And then in the next video I'm going to show, it's going to show me with the tractor just kind of moving that dirt really in the specific spot that I really want it. And then right after that, just like with the double, I'll have the flathead shovel, and I'll pack it down. And like I said, it's not really a necessary step, but it makes it look pretty. So now that I have the dirt in the places where I want it, I'm really just kind of shaping it into the berm shaped bed I want. And in this case, it's literally a U, because I'm making a 180-degree turn, and I'm just kind of crossing my fingers. I'm going to be able to carry enough speed to make the jump, because my dad pointed that out. And so I'm just kind of hoping that it'll all work out, and I think it will. But yeah, it's just shaping it up right here, and yeah, it was definitely a lot of fun doing this. Here's some additional footage of me just kind of shaping this berm up into what I wanted it to look like. It's just kind of a different angle and view, and I thought it'd be uh, just kind of cool to see a different angle, just so the video is not boring from just watching from the tractor the whole time. So in this part of the video, I'm just smoothing it all out and making sure that there's no bumps, because the last thing that you need is to be coming around this berm and face plant because there was a bump in your way and it wasn't flattened out. Alright, so this is the final product of the whole berm, and just like the double, it turned out really well. I just did the exact same steps. I just kind of brought in the dirt, packed it down with the tractor, and then I used the flathead shovel and spruced everything up, and it turned out perfect.
The sound of atmospheres, 3 metric tons of pressure.
Alright, so I didn't have any before footage for this building of this berm, but I do have the video of me on the tractor forming it, and you can see my dad in the background. He's kind of pointing to the areas where it kind of needs to go. And so I'm really just I'm scraping the ground, and I'm bringing the dirt up, and then just doing the same thing I did with the other berm. Alright, so that will be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. And yeah. Well, we broke the tractor.